With flowers everywhere, concrete lounge and plastic chair, by the fly chrysalis hardening, the popping of a perfect garden there.
Okay, so I've got the washing machine there. This is my laundry. And I've got the backup washing machine there. The hoses are over here at the trough. Cable tied to this rack. That's actually the shelf out of an old fridge. I've got a hole cut here and a piece of string tied here. Now with the hole, which was quite difficult to cut, I didn't realise fridge racks were so strong. And I can get the string, never done this one-handed, but I can tie that, just loop that over onto the window latch to keep it upright. Then I can get to the bucket, which I can lift out. So I'm getting about 9 to 10 litres of water per load that I'm able to recycle. Making sure, of course, that the plug hole down here is free, so the excess water can actually drain out. And that's how I recirculate water in the imperfect gardener kind of way. And remember, imperfections make for good gardens.
With flowers everywhere, concrete lounge and plastic chair, by the fly chrysalis hardening, the popping of a perfect garden there.